Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add vertical navigation menu in Wix Studio. Most websites use horizontal menus at the top, but sometimes a vertical menu on the side just look cleaner, more than modern, or it fits your design better, especially for portfolios and landing pages or even mobile friendly layouts. If you are working on Wix Studio project and wondering how do I add a site navigation menu, you are in the right place. Uh, Sorry for I use that Wix Studio, but we are not using Wix Studio. I'm going to use Wix Standard Editor. So right now on this website, just simply select the website which you want to add the vertical menu, and in the left side you will get to see there is an option called Edit Site, and you have to just simply click on it to get the access of editor, Wix Editor. Now what you have to do, wait for a few seconds to open and process the website. Now it is preparing our website. Wait for more few seconds. As you can see here, we are on the website. Now I have disabled the header and footer for the tutorial, and what I will do, I will get back to setting, go back into layouts, and again I will click on the standard. Now as you can see, we got our header and the menu. Now if you see in the left side there is an option called add element. Click on it, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will get to see the option of menu and anchor. Now there are a lot of themes, but we have to add vertical menus. So what I will do, I will just simply add a vertical menu. I will choose like this one. I guess this looks clean. I will just click on this and put it over here. This is a long, to be honest. I will resize this. So the problem with the vertical is that you cannot uh, give wait for a few seconds. Let me fix this issue. Let me wait. Click on the manage menu. From here you can manage menu. You can remove anything which are is not important for on the menu, like event is not important on the menu. You can hide from the menu. You can hide contacts from the menu. This is already hidden, I think. Hide the menu, after cases, hide from the menu. Now let's get back to our vertical menu. And okay, the video is doing his work. Now as you can see, we have this. Let's delete for some time. I will just simply add this menu to show you how it looks like. So this is a menu, and now you can give a quick edit to the menu. Let's okay, and why I'm not able to select the vertical menu. Now it is a section, it is okay. So I have changed the website just because of some errors. So again I will go back into menu and anchor and go back to in vertical, choose this menu. let's let's do that. Now from here you can manage your setting. Click on the set advanced settings. From here you can change and make a default or sub menu any page. For example, I want to make a sub menu of a home page, like I want to make about us sub menu of home page. I will just simply click on this blue icon and drag into home. Let's do it again. Drag it into the home. As you can see, we have successfully added a sub menu about us page. So yeah, this is how you can do in advanced manage. If you want to add menu item over here, you can just simply click on the add menu item, and it will ask you to, if it is new page or you can link a website, you can do all of those things. Let's click on OK. Think I have to click on it again. Now click on the manage menu. You can do this thing again as well. Now if you want to change layout from left to right, you can do to the left to right, you can do that as well. The alignment will be in the center. I will keep in the advanced. Let's say if you have sub menu, it will be in the right side. You can do a lot of settings over here. Now let's get back and see the design. Now wait for, if you want to change design, you can change from here. Now let's give the animation. Now whenever someone comes or visit our website, it will should get animation like this. And if you want to give a scroll animation, you can do that as well. For example, this is a scroll animation. If you want to see how it looks, just simply select and preview it. Now the problem with vertical menu is it hold a lot of space like this. Now instead of this using vertical menu, I will suggest you to, what you can do is just simply delete this and go back into add elements, and then again go to menu and anchor, choose hamburger menu and select this one. Or as you can see here, so whenever I click on this button, it will open something like this menu. Let's show you preview. Let's save it and click preview how it looks like. Wait for a few seconds, it will give you the preview. Click on it, it will, as you can see here, we have created a sub pages of home. This from here you can take it. Now as you can see here, if we got our menu in a vertical way, you can use this trick. But if you want to add a vertical menu, I have already teach you how you can do that. If you want to add a hamburger menu, you can add that too. I suggest you to do that. You should add a hamburger menu. If you want to like design this menu, you can design as well, like background, text, border, corner, shadows, layout and icons. If you go into icons, if you can increase the size and color and all of those settings. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.